Living on campus while earning your degree can be a cost-effective decision that helps you save money in various ways. While tuition and other fees are unavoidable expenses, choosing to live in a dorm or campus housing can significantly reduce other financial burdens. Here are several ways living on campus can help you save money during your college years. 1. Reduce transportation costs. One of the biggest financial benefits of living on campus is the savings on transportation. When you live on or near campus, you do not need to spend money on gas, public transportation, or vehicle maintenance. Parking fees at universities can be quite expensive, and the cost of commuting can add up over time. By living on campus, you can walk or bike to class, eliminating the need for a car or public transit passes. 2. Lower food expenses. Many universities offer meal plans as part of their on-campus living packages. While meal plans do have a cost, they can be more affordable than grocery shopping and cooking for yourself, especially if you take advantage of all the meals provided. Additionally, meal plans prevent the temptation of eating out frequently, which can become a significant expense for off-campus students. 3. Inclusive utilities and internet. When you live on campus, utilities such as electricity, water, heating, cooling, and Wi-Fi are often included in the housing cost. Off-campus apartments and houses require separate payments for these services, which can vary from month to month. By living in a dorm, you can better predict your expenses without worrying about fluctuating bills. 4. No need for furniture and household essentials. Most on-campus housing options are furnished, providing essentials such as a bed, desk, and chair. Off-campus apartments typically require you to purchase furniture and household items, which can be a significant upfront expense. Living on campus eliminates the need to invest in these items, saving you money in the long run. 5. Access to campus resources and entertainment. Universities provide numerous resources for students living on campus, including study areas, gyms, libraries, and recreational facilities. These amenities can replace costly memberships or external subscriptions. In addition, many colleges offer free or low-cost entertainment options, such as movie nights, concerts, and student events, helping you cut back on spending for leisure activities. 6. Time savings. Leading to financial benefits. Living on campus means spending less time commuting, allowing you to focus on your studies and part-time job opportunities. This extra time can be used for paid internships or campus jobs that help cover tuition and living expenses. Some students find that they can work more hours because they do not have to worry about long commutes, increasing their income potential.